Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by getting the Quest 3 into a known state so tracking recalibration works. Power cycle the headset and controllers, and then put the headset on briefly to confirm a stable pose. Once done, clear reflective objects and bright light sources from the play area and set Guardian to a comfortable boundary. Make sure pass-through is active and the headset firmware is up to date. This reduces sensor confusion and gives you a clean baseline for the next steps. Now you'll recalibrate tracking precisely. Start room setup and Guardian recalibration, moving at a steady pace and repeating the flow twice to let the headset refine its environment map. Next, unpair and repair controllers through settings devices and confirm batteries are at least 50%. Low power causes jitter. Adjust ambient lighting so it's even no direct sun or flashing lights. Because the inside-out cameras rely on contrast and consistent illumination to keep position stable. Finish by validating tracking in a simple VR scene. Move slowly, turn, and raise arms to check for drift or occlusion. If issues persist, clear sensor data or perform a factory reset after backing up settings. This resolves deeper calibration corruption. Make small physical changes first. Shift the headset or play area by 1 to 2 meters and cover any reflective surfaces, because subtle environmental fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.